The benefits of turmeric and why you should add it to your diet ASAP. Turmeric is an orange-colored spice that has been used in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking for centuries. Now, it's also found in everything from jello to various over-the-counter medications. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can help with a variety of ailments and health conditions. 10 must-know benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is an herbaceous plant of the ginger family, whose leaves are used in cooking due to their peppery taste. Its major active ingredient, curcumin, is not heat-stable, and so it is often combined with other ingredients. Turmeric has many health benefits, with the most popular ones including pain relief, lowering bad cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. Several ways to use turmeric. Administration with chemotherapy drugs. For this purpose, turmeric can reduce negative side effects of chemotherapy treatment, such as hair loss and nausea. Take turmeric capsules for prevention of cardiovascular disease. Take turmeric capsules for treatment of metabolic syndrome, a condition marked by excess fat around the waistline. Use turmeric powder as a spice in cooking. What is the best way to cook with turmeric? One of the many benefits of turmeric is its medicinal use. Turmeric has been used for centuries in India and other Asian countries to treat ailments such as arthritis, digestive problems, and even skin conditions. Turmeric can be added to dishes in various forms, powdered, infused into oils, or mixed with other spices. One of the most popular ways to consume turmeric is by making it part of a yellow curry dish. What are some of the healthiest dishes to cook with turmeric? The best way to get turmeric's medicinal properties is by eating whole turmeric powder. Turmeric is a superfood that is very powerful in its medicinal properties. It can help with reducing inflammation, boost immunity, and prevent various types of cancers. The best way to get the medicinal properties from turmeric is by using whole turmeric powder. To make sure you get all the benefits of the spice, try cooking these 3 recipes. Turmeric and black pepper rice. Add some whole black pepper and salt to this dish while cooking it for a bit more flavor. Golden milk lad. Mix together organic cashew cream with some water and either ground cinnamon or cardamom. Turmeric oatmeal. Mix together some oats, water, salt, and some cinnamon. Turmeric benefits, turmeric uses, turmeric recipes, turmeric suppliers. What is turmeric? Turmeric is the latest superfood that people are talking about. It's not just for cooking anymore. There are various health benefits of turmeric that have been studied by medical researchers over the years, but one of the most popular uses is for cooking. Turmeric can be used to flavor dishes and give them a rich yellow coloring. As well as being an important ingredient in many Indian dishes, it has also been used in some traditional Thai recipes, especially curries. What are the health benefits of turmeric? The health benefits of turmeric are well documented. It is a spice that can be used in cooking or to make a curry. It is also known for its medicinal properties, which are not only good for the digestive system, but also for the immune system. Turmeric is an essential ingredient in many countries, including India, where it is found in everything from curries to chutneys to pickles. It has been used medicinally for centuries, and because of its long history of use, it has been studied extensively, and claims have been made about its medical benefits. What are the culinary uses of tuplurum? Turmeric is a curry spice that has been used in cooking since the 5th century BC. It is used to provide flavor, color, and to act as an anti-inflammatory agent. It can be found in curries, pasta sauces, and salads. The culinary uses of turmeric are many because it has special health benefits which can be placed into many dishes, making for great culinary creations. The culinary uses of tuplurum are many because it has special health benefits that can be used to enhance various dishes. This plant can be added to various dishes for an enhanced flavor profile, and also provides the benefit of increasing the nutritional value of the dish. Turmeric is a well-known plant that is a staple of many cuisines. This plant offers a lot more than just a seasoning and can also be used as a medicinal herb in various forms. Turmeric has been proven to help with healthy digestion, reducing painful joints, healthy skin and hair, boosting the immune system, preventing heart disease and strokes, improving brain function, fighting cancer cells. Turmeric is one of the most popular spices in the world. It has been used for centuries to heal various ailments and is even thought to be an effective cancer-fighting agent. On top of that, it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. The best turmeric supplements are usually made up of high-quality turmeric extract plus other ingredients like black pepper or ginger, which can improve the absorption rate and effectiveness of curcumin. The supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, powders, liquids, tablets, and even food condiments like sauces or drinks. The health-boosting and curative properties of turmeric make it an excellent spice to add to any dish. But what are the best recipes for our hearts? Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to have many health-boosting and curative properties. In fact, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health describes it as one of the most promising plants from which scientists have isolated health-promoting compounds. Some of the known benefits of turmeric include antioxidant properties, helps prevent cancer. Anti-inflammatory, helps relieve joint pain. Improves brain function, improves memory and cognitive skills. The list goes on. It is a key ingredient in Indian cuisine due to its distinctive yellow color. But turmeric can also be used in many other dishes as well. There are a few key tricks to making golden milk taste great every time, without needing to add cardamom or cardamom. Golden milk is gaining popularity as a health drink. It is popular with people who are looking for an alternative to coffee, but it is just as energizing. There are many benefits to drinking this drink. It contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help with a variety of health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, and cancer. It also contains calcium and vitamin D, which make it a healthier option than coffee or tea. I hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel.